There's a little black soap for you. Get revved up, ready to go. Like I said, watch him get done. He's a pro. Now, you know, so his wheels are turned up on that slant, so he got full impact on the front there. Dig it in. That is one hard ball, folks. Let him hear it again, folks. Give him another round of applause. 267.85 feet. All right, Carl, here it goes. City of Peru. That was great pole there. Well, he's getting pretty close to his pole of 383. Yeah, 375. He's got the green flag, and he's going to be blowing out some smoke. Bernie had a pole of 267 his first go around. He improved on that, 284.23. Take his off, folks. Oh yeah, he's gonna give you a good show. There you go, kid. See what's down the road now, folks. Hey, you're from the ground. You know where it's at. Cheer it on. Let them know you're here. Oh, you saw those first moves.
Burning clutch.
He's keeping it all. Slide moving up. Yeah, he got stopped.
Oh, this reeks of burning clutch.
Another great pole, 295.84. So that does it for our stock diesel division.